We are working it today with Andy Challenger, Challenger Gray and Christmas, who's keeping tabs on CEOs. Thanks for coming on the show today.
Thanks for having me.
As it turns out, many CEOs are walking off the job. Why is that?
Yeah, there's a bunch of reasons for it, but we found in this last quarter, 396 CEOs left their companies over the last 3 months. That's the highest quarterly total we've ever tracked since we started really looking at this in 2002. So a really big number.
A big number, and for the year, above 1,000 CEOs leaving.
Yeah, this is the first time we've been on this track since the couple years leading up to the Great Recession, 2006, 2007, and into 2008, when we last saw this level of CEO departures.
That is good to know, because it could be a sign potentially that companies out there are making some changes, realigning the business to maybe brace for a downturn in the economy. They might not want to pay those high salaries.
Yeah, we certainly think that's a possibility, that companies are saying we're at maybe the tail end of the longest expansion in American history, and that we want to get somebody at the helm of the company who can take it through some potential changes in the economy.
And then how much of this is CEOs leaving because they can get better jobs because the economy is so great and the job market's awesome?
Yeah, there is a touch of that. The other buckets where we kind of tend to see these CEOs is either mergers and acquisitions, where there's just a change in control of the company, and sometimes that comes with a change in CEO. And also, we see some long tenured CEOs that have seen that are seeing their companies at a really stable point after a long expansion, and we might be seeing CEOs stepping down so they can end their their term as CEO on a good note.
Go out on top.
Go out on top, and put into a succession plan that they may have been working on over the last couple of years to get the leaders they want at the front of the company over the next few years.
Is this a trend you suspect will continue on?
Yeah, just with all the volatility and change in control in companies that we've seen this year, we can expect to continue to see that throughout the end of this year, and may see one of the largest totals of CEO departures we've seen at the end of December.
Oh, it also means a lot of job openings potentially.
Yeah, so
for people who want to move up in the ranks.
That is absolutely true. It's a great time to be a job searcher. One of the best labor markets we've seen since 1969, so a long time.
Wow. Well, there you have it. Thanks so much for coming on the show again.
Thanks for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.